Hello everyone. I'm going to talk you through how to set up your tabletop rail system. This guide will work whether you purchase the double or triple rail system. Tools needed. The toolkit provided with your trimmer, a 9/16 inch wrench, 3/4 inch wrench, and a rubber mallet. Start by placing the welded frame on a flat surface. Grab the 2 threaded rods and the 2 mounting bases. Connect the mounting base to the rod. Feed each rod into the welded frame, making sure the frame isn't upside down. The welded thread inserts need to be facing down. Grab the 2 rubber red feet and locking nuts and install the rubber feet on the other side of the welded frame. Finish your installation by placing the square plugs on each side of the rail. Add a thread hex nut and knob to each rod. Tighten the knob and hex nut to secure the frame position. Repeat the process for the second rod. To adjust the height of the rail, turn each knob to the desired height. Make sure to leave a gap between the hex nut and the frame of at least 1/2 inch. Otherwise, the knobs might conflict with the plastic hopper. Now let's show you how to install your trimmers. Before setting up your assembled rail systems in your desired location, remember that you need enough power to run your system. We recommend having a certified electrician to make sure that you have the proper power supply. Position your tabletop trimmer with the plastic hopper installed on the rear side of the rail. As you can see, the transversal rod is here to help you position each trimmer. Next, place the 2 other trimmers. Place the 3 leaf collectors side by side. We recommend setting them up on an angle to leave room for the keef collection systems. Install hoses on each system and secure with 2 clamps. Your rail system is now ready to use. If you need further assistance with the operation of your rail system, call tech support at 604-458-0341.